Hello friends, how about Limeade? Does anybody like Limeade? We hear a lot about Limeade. Let's try Limeade. You know, this is much healthier for you than the stuff you can get at the fast food places this summer. And it is so good for you. It has the apple cider vinegar to raise your pH in your body, and it's just so refreshing. So let's talk about some good refreshing Limeade as an optional drink in the hashtag John1010 challenge. Well, welcome, and let's jump right in and make this. It doesn't take long at all. You can whip one up. Mr. Patient often asks Little Miss Homemaker to whip up a Limeade. In fact, she has got a recipe that's about 2 years old on our YouTube channel, and it's just cute as can be because I stopped her to make me a Limeade, and she was playing dress up at the time, and it's just cute as can be. So 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This has the mother in it. This is the kind I use, the Bragg's. It has the mother, which is the good kind, good unpasteurized. It's naturally gluten-free, raw, unfiltered. Very good. And then 2 tablespoons of a good lime juice. I personally like the Nellie and Joe's famous Key West lime juice. I use 2 tablespoons of that in a quart. Just putting this on top of some ice. The reason I like this lime juice is it doesn't have a lot of added ingredients. One day I decided I would read the recipe on the shelf of lime and lemon juice, and it had all kinds of weird things in it. Now, if that's what you have, if that's all you have, that is better than nothing in my opinion. Use what you've got. But this only has Key West lime juice from concentrate, and then 1% as sodium benzoate as a preservative. So I guess I can't get away from that preservative. And then we've always used 2 packets of Truvia, which is a stevia, and it also has erythritol in it. But today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try this Now brand Better Stevia. And I don't know how many drops to use, so I am going to start with 4. That was 5. Then I'm going to just add water to my Limeade. We have filtered water. This is so refreshing. Like I said, Mr. Patient loves this drink. Loves it. We drink it a quart at a time. Shake it up. Okay. Then, let's taste it. Let's taste that 5 drops of stevia. You can customize it. You can make it your own. In fact, I think I will add. That's 4 or 5 more drops. Yeah, that's a little better. It's very good. It's very refreshing. It's tart, but, you know, Limeade, lemonade, those are tart drinks. This is on the John1010 challenge on my calendar as Limeade for June 1st. You're welcome to join me. I hope you do. Accept the challenge for an abundant life. You can find the material, print it out. It's free. Go to heritageways.com and go to the post that says hashtag John1010 challenge. Scroll down and you'll see the documents. You can either open up and look on your device, or you can print them off. So let's do this together, y'all. I'm really excited about it. This is a challenge I have made for myself, and I'm inviting you to join in because I want a better life. I want to feel better. I want to do better. I want to be better. Accept the offer of an abundant life. So let's do this together. See you next time, y'all. The reason I like this lime juice is it doesn't have added stuff. I just sprayed that in my eyes. Really? Lime juice in my face. Okay. That's 5. Good grief. It's optional if you want to sing "Shake It Up, Baby." That's optional.